This video is all about how to set up a YouTube channel. If you haven't already created a new YouTube channel and you're just curious about how to set it up, then I encourage you to watch the sister tutorial to this one, where I share quickly how to create a YouTube channel in 5 minutes. Once you have created your YouTube channel, the next step is to set it up correctly so that it stands a good chance to be found by your potential audience and YouTube itself. Let's get started. So the next step is to verify your channel. This is going to give you access to extra features for your channel. So you want to come up here again to your profile image, come down to settings, click on channel status and features. You can see that these are the different things that you can have access to, and the way to access them is to verify your channel. Click on verify phone number. Select your country. You can either do it with an automated text message, or you can get a text message sent to your phone. Then enter the verification code, and your channel is now verified. So you can see that it doesn't take much to verify your channel, and you can see straight away that we have access now to videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and more. So once all these features are enabled, you can move across to advanced setting. This is something that you will need to specify, so whether you're creating content that is made for kids or not. So you can choose the option, yes, this channel is made for kids, so it's going to have kids content on it, or no, this channel is not made for kids. You also have a third option here. I want to review this setting for every video, so you can manually set this on a per video basis as well. So I'm going to go with no, this channel is not made for kids. Also, if you have a Google AdSense account, you can link it down here. And when we move across to basic info, if you want to add a location for your channel, you can add that in here. This is also where we are able to add in some keywords or key tags related with our channel to again let YouTube know what our channel and our content is about. So I'm going to start off with Natura Vita, and I'm using a comma to separate each word or phrase. Tutorials, online marketing, tutorials. So you got to ask yourself, what are the things that people can search for to potentially find your channel? And that is what you want to put in here. Also, it is important that you only add keywords in here that is relevant to your channel. So below that we have upload defaults. So click on that. So for the most part, I would say that you leave the title and the description empty because they're going to relate to each video. But you can still set things like visibility. So for example, do you want every video to go as unlisted first while you get it all set up and then make it public at your own time? Likewise with tags, if there are some tags that are going to apply to every one of your videos, but whatever you put in here is going to show up automatically when you upload every video. And there is more upload defaults under advanced setting as well. So those are the main settings in here that you want to go through. So now we can click on save to come out of that. Now when we click on our avatar in the top right hand corner and your channel, and then click on customize channel, on the layouts tab, once we start posting videos, we can add a channel trailer and a feature video for returning visitors in this section by clicking on add. We can also organize our channel by adding sections here as well. But now let's move across to branding. This is where we can add in our channel art or our branding to make this look and feel like our brand. So I'm going to upload a channel art which I have saved on my computer by clicking on upload. So I had someone on Fiverr create this channel art for me for $5. Fiverr is a great website to check out if you want to create professional designs like YouTube channel art or thumbnails for a very low budget like $5. But if you don't want to go down that route, there are plenty of websites and tutorials online about how to create one for yourself This is a little branding watermark that you can add to your videos. It gives your subscribers the opportunity to subscribe to your channel at any time while watching your video. So you can just use your profile picture. So for me, I'm just going to choose this image, which I got off Google. And then you can also choose when you want this displayed. So whether it is on screen the entire time, whether it starts at 5 seconds in, or whether it is only showing at the end of the video. So I'm going to set this to start at 10 seconds in so that it's going to be after my ads. So now if we click on basic info, we can obviously see our description in here, which we've already added. If we need to make any changes to it, we can edit that here by clicking on the pencil icon. We can also add an email address for business inquiries. And this just makes it easier for people to find an email address to contact us. So now all we need to do is to hit publish. So now that our channel is pretty close to being set up, we can now go through and add in any managers or any other accounts that we would like to have as managers on our channel. To do that, come back up here to your profile picture, go down to settings, and then you can add and remove managers down here by clicking on the link. So if we go back to our channel homepage now, this channel is now set up and ready to go for you to start uploading content. We can upload our first video by clicking on the upload icon up here. If you found this video useful, like it, subscribe for more videos like this one, and share it if you think other people can benefit from it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.